Have you ever wondered about the process of how pineapples go from being planted to becoming a fresh, delicious product? Let's follow this fascinating journey, from the seedlings to the surprising processing steps. Let's visit a pineapple farm during the early stages of selecting and planting the seedlings. The pineapple propagation process begins with choosing healthy mother plants that are free of diseases and produce high-quality fruit. Next, the top shoots are separated from the mother plant, with a focus on healthy, undamaged shoots. Afterward, excess leaves are trimmed, and the seedlings are left to dry for a few days to prevent mold growth. The seedlings are then kept in a humid, shaded environment to stimulate rapid root development. After a few days of preparing the pineapple stems, it's time for the planting process. A plastic mulch layer machine with a 20 horsepower engine uses a hydraulic system to pull and lay down a 1-2 meter wide plastic sheet for each row. After covering with plastic, the planting is done using a small shovel, which helps both dig holes and plant the seedlings. The holes are dug just deep enough to ensure the plants stand firmly. Each seedling is carefully placed into the hole, making sure not to damage the root system. Are you as impressed by this pineapple planting process as I am? If so, leave a comment with one. Caring for pineapples involves regular watering and periodic fertilization to ensure the plants grow strong and healthy. Additionally, it's important to frequently check and protect the plants from pests and diseases. Let's admire the results after a long period of planting and care. The vast pineapple fields are thriving under the meticulous care of the farmers. Young pineapples are starting to appear on the plants. Although small, they are beginning to take shape clearly, promising a harvest full of potential. The pineapples are watered regularly, and fertilizers are added periodically. The young fruits are gradually growing larger, with their light green color beginning to turn yellow. If you also enjoy growing pineapples, why not try planting one in a pot like this? The results will surprise you. First, cut off the top of the pineapple, leaving about 2-3 centimeters of the crown with leaves. Next, plant the pineapple top directly into a pot filled with nutrient-rich soil. Water it regularly and place the pot in a location with plenty of light, but not direct sunlight. The pineapple will gradually grow, changing from green to yellow. At this point, you can harvest the pineapple to enjoy the fruits of your labor after all that care. Let's continue the journey, as it's time to harvest the pineapples. Pineapples are usually ready for harvest about 15 to 18 months after planting, when the fruit has reached its full size and ripeness. At this stage, the pineapple is golden yellow, fragrant with its distinctive aroma, and has a firm texture, not too soft. The harvesting process requires care, using a sharp knife to cut close to the stem to avoid bruising the fruit. Once the pineapples are transported to the factory, they undergo a thorough sorting process based on size and ripeness. The standard quality fruits are washed clean, removing dirt and impurities. Next, the pineapples are peeled, leaving only the fresh, juicy flesh before being sent to the processing machines. The entire process is strictly controlled. This ensures the highest quality for the final product to be produced for the market. The process of preparing pineapples at home using compact machines helps save time and effort. First, the automatic peeling machine quickly removes the pineapple skin, preserving the fresh, juicy flesh without wasting any. Next, the slicer is used to cut the pineapple into evenly thin slices. Finally, the sliced pineapple pieces are packed into bags for storage, helping to maintain freshness for a longer period. This process is not only quick and efficient, it also ensures the pineapple is prepared cleanly. Thank you for watching the entire video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to explore the fascinating journey from pineapple planting to the processing stages.